How to post a project on freelancer.com. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can post a project on freelancer.com, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your freelancer account, just like I have done here. And then once you've logged in, you're brought to the home page. On the page by the top left corner, you can see your freelancer logo, and then you can see other tabs and other functions that you can carry out on freelancer. And the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen, where you can see the option post a project. Just go ahead and select it. Then after selecting it, you'll be brought to the post page. On this page, you can see the write up which says tell us what you need done. So yeah, you are to enter in the topic of your project, all right? That is the title of your project, and to make it easier for you to go ahead with the post. So for me, I'll just go with logo design. For example, logo design. Yeah, design. All right, and then once you're done, click on let's go, and then you wait for the next page to load. Now once that's loaded, you can see a write up which says what is the name of your company or your brand. All right, you can just select any of this, or you can specify the actual name, and then what type of logo are you looking for. All right, is it the modern note that these questions would be based on the title of your project. All right, so just note that. Okay, so I'll go with fun and quirky, and then what would it be used for? You can just go ahead and select it, and then click on next, and then your project description would be created. So yeah, you can see the project name. If you do not like it, you can change it, but if you do, you can leave it the way it is. All right, and so after that, you can see the project description. If you do not like this description, you can go ahead and edit it and erase the things that you do not want. But if you prefer it this way, you can just leave it like that. Then you can scroll down and then decide to drop images that might be helpful in explaining your brief. All right, if you want to do that. But if not, click on next. And then you can see the skills required. If these are the skills required, you can just select them, or you leave them that way. Or if you need more skills, you can just click on this and then add more skills. Then click on next, then post the project. Now, how do you want to pay? Do you want to pay by the hour or pay a fixed price? For me, I selected the fixed price, and then you can see the different kind of budgets available on this particular freelancer. You can even decide to customize your project if you don't want to make use of any of the projects that has been displayed. So just select the one that you fall under, and then you can click on this currency icon in order to change your currency. Then click on next, and then you can see, do you want a standard project or a recruiter project? If you want a recruiter project, it's not for free, but a standard project is for free. So I'll be going with standard, and then you can decide to choose upgrade for your project if you want to. If not, just click on next. And then the next thing to do is to preview your project. All right, is this how it is? Are these details correct? Check through it, and then if it's correct, click on yes, post my project. And then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to add a payment method. Yeah, you would have to add a payment method for you to be able to post the project. So just go ahead and add your payment method, and then from there your project will be posted, and interested or qualified or professionals will be able to apply in order to participate in the project. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.